Hey guys, and welcome to Math Channel. We have here 3 minus 3 times 3 over 3. Maybe you solve this math expression like this first. 3 minus 3 is equals to 0, and 0 minus 3 over 3. Now 0 times 0 is equals to 0 over 3, that equals to 0. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. In numerator, we have one subtraction and one multiplication. So we have to solve this multiplication first. Now 3 times 3 is equals to 9, and we have 3 minus 9. So we solved this multiplication first, and we had 3 minus 9 over 3. Now 3 minus 9 is equals to negative 6 over 3. Now we can simplify this expression. 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1, and 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. Now we have negative 2 over 1, that equals to negative 2. The final answer is negative 2. Thank you for watching.